life. Blocking you out is not a choice, so I continue to light. Ounce after ounce of that good boom trying to clog up my sight. Wipe away tears cause I miss you when I'm riding at night. Barbara Fraser turns to love and I'm grateful for that. You picked me up when I was down and I thank you for that. You got my heart till I'm gone and that's gonna always remain. Cause it's hard to see your face and keep my feelings contained. I know damn well I ain't the only one going through this. You never had to let go of somebody. Cause love them right because you're doing it for good. Yeah, you never had to let go of somebody. Cause you're doing it for good.
Not gonna have the same baseline like Young Jesus. So if you leave that motherfucking dog up on my song, and then the next song come on with the Young Jesus, that shit like
Ripping wood, rolling glass, ripping wood, rolling glass, ripping wood, rolling glass, ripping wood, only ripping wood,
face down. And then bring your eyes in. Some songs might be louder than others. Bring your eyes up to where it sounds good to your ear. And then you bring your bass in where you want it. But sometimes you might want more high, like you might be on some Erykah Badu window seat. You might want them high window seat with the lip on. The background.
Sometimes I can't hear the lyrics at all.
That's why I'm telling you. So you always start with your north down, bring your highs in, and then bring your bass in. Don't never start off with your bass. Then you can hear your words.
All I got is,
See, then you can hear some though. You can hear some words. Yeah, you got a DJ in that motherfucker, bro. Yeah. That bitch sound good, fool. That motherfucker sound good.
Tipping up the boulevard like a ballerina. Louis V, a slugger board in a two-seater. 6x9s and tweeters. The only way to beat us is the cheaters. I'm soaring like an eagle in the regal. Two-seater, 6x9s and tweeters. The only way to beat us is the cheaters. I'm soaring like an eagle in the regal.
Y'all good?